Good morning, everyone. Today we can discuss some grammar. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about conjunction. So, what is conjunction? Conjunction are the words that function as a link between two clauses or elements in a sentence. So, this conjunction is actually using for connecting two sentences or phrases. Okay, so first one, conjunction are words that connect words, phrases, and clauses in a sentence. So, conjunction is using for connecting a sentence, phrase, or words. So, can you guess which are the main conjunctions? Yes, the main conjunctions are and, but, because, and when. Okay, so conjunction are words that function as a link between different clauses or elements in sentence. Conjunction are words that connect words, phrases, and clause in a sentence. The main conjunctions are and, but, because, and when. So now we can discuss some example. Kevin reads the newspaper and watches television every Friday. Kevin reads the newspaper and watching television. So here is the connection word is and. They live in New York and love its beautiful library. So they live in New York and love the beautiful library. So here is the connection word is and. I like math lesson but I don't like history lesson. So here I like maths lesson but I don't like history lesson. So the connection word is but. You can go hiking there but you have to be very careful. You can go hiking but you have to be very careful. Anna doesn't want to take the exam because she don't study. She didn't study. So Anna doesn't want to take the exam because she did not study. We cannot home to the party tonight because we must study. We cannot home to the party. So here we cannot go to the party tonight because the reason is we must study. You get very tired you when you don't sleep. We come from school when nobody has come. So we come from school when nobody has come. Okay, so here the example of conjunction. So please take your notebook and write down what is conjunction and its example. So once again I'll repeat, conjunction are the words that function as a link between different clauses or elements in sentences. Conjunction are words that connect word, phrases and clause in a sentence. The main conjunctions are and, but, because and when. Okay, so this you can write in your notebook and this example too. So after writing what is conjunction, you can write the examples. Okay. Now we can write the grammar worksheet of and but. So here is the examples. First one, I'm hungry dash I don't have any money to buy lunch. It's late dash I'm tired. John like funny movies. He doesn't like scary movies. We live in an apartment. We like it very much. Her name's her name is Maria. His name is Fernando. I think math is difficult. Dash I like it. It is nice gift. I don't like it. Paris is a big city. It is a capital of France. My friend is very big. Dash he is very strong. Fruit tasty good. It's healthy for your body. I'm afraid of dog. I'm not afraid of cats. Our train is late. I think we will arrive on time. He usually gets home at 4 o'clock. Then he does his homework. I want to go to the beach dash it's raining. Whales are big, they live in the ocean. My brother wants to be an astronaut. He wants to travel to the moon. Their hamburgers are delicious, they are expensive. First, I want to play football. When then I want to go home. He is a good actor, he is famous. This worksheet is fun, dash is easy. So this is the worksheet, so you can write the correct answer with this. So here I am giving the correct answer also. So choose the correct answer and complete the example. No need to write the, uh, you can directly write the answer. Okay, for example, I am hungry but I don't have any money to buy lunch. It's late and I'm tired. John likes funny movies but he doesn't like scary movies. We live in an apartment and we like it very much. Her name is Maria and his name is Fernando. I think math is difficult, but it's easy. Sorry, I like it. It's a nice gift. Dash, I don't like it, but I don't like it. This kind of answer you can write in your notebook. So make sure that you please write this 20 question and answer in your notebook. And also you have to write what is conjunction and its example also. So, okay. So this is about today's class. So everyone complete your notebooks and send it to me. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.